Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to make apple turnovers. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 can of apple pie filling. We're going to need 1 roll of puff pastry. Also going to need 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and 1/2 cup of confectioner sugar. Okay guys, what you want to do is beat your egg and add 1 tablespoon of water to that and mix it well. Next, we're going to go ahead and open our puff pastry. All I'm going to do is flour my surface a little bit, and then I'm going to roll the puff pastry onto it. Once your puff pastry is open, all you want to do is sprinkle just a tad bit of flour on top. Now all I'm going to do is go ahead and roll it out some. Okay. Next, I'm going to take my dough press and I'm just going to press down. And this is all you're going to do, is go straight across and make as many as you can. Okay guys, I was able to make 6 pastry cutouts. So all I'm going to do now is lay this on top of my dough press. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and get some apple pie filling. I'm going to put it on 1/2 of it. Make sure you leave about maybe 1/2 inch. And now all I'm going to do is take my egg wash. I'm just going to go around the edges. Just like this. And then all I'm going to do is take it and fold it over. Okay guys, so this is my first apple turnover, and all we're going to do is go ahead and repeat the process. Okay guys, once you're done filling all your puff pastries, all we're going to do is transfer them onto a baking sheet with a piece of parchment paper. Okay guys, after you transferred your pastries onto a baking sheet and parchment paper, all we're going to do is take a knife and cut 3 small slits in the top of each of them. Okay guys, once you're done, we're going to go ahead and put them in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Okay guys, next you want to heat your oven to 400 degrees, and all we're going to do now is take our remaining egg wash and just go over every apple turnover and make sure it's coated good. Okay guys, once you're done, all we're going to do is put them in our oven for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay guys, once the apple turnovers are done, we're going to go ahead and set them to the side and we're going to make an icing for them. Okay guys, all we're going to do next is take a half a cup of confectioner sugar, put it in a bowl, and we're going to start to add our heavy whipping cream and just mix it thoroughly. Okay guys, so all I'm doing now is drizzling icing over top. Okay guys, so here you have it, apple turnovers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.